Let me check that. Yeah, no. Okay, we are now on line 28. Yeah, okay. Let me check if everything is correct or not. Okay, everything is perfect. 28 is okay. Mm, okay, power is on. Internet is stable right now. Just a minute. I just need to check if the quality I can increase. No. Yes, we can increase the quality. Yes, and you can see the board, a Figma board that we have, and let's check. It's 266 V1. Live. Six. Okay. Okay, let's start. Let's start with the understanding. See, these are the topics that we have covered from the top introduction to the Angular until pipes. Yesterday we have covered the pipe. Transform is the main method that requires to create the pipes. Custom pipes we have created yesterday. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to create or understand the pure and impure pipes. So let's copy this. Control V. Let's check what we have. Geeks for geeks or anything like that. What do we have here? No, we don't have here. Angular tutorials for beginners. Okay, pipes. So life cycle hooks and life cycle hooks are not today's topic, but pipes. Okay, pure and pure pipes. Angular. Let's copy that heading and paste it right here. Pure and impure pipes. Let's check for the definition. If we have any angular pipes are used to transform the data in the template. Example, formatting the data, filtering the data list. Pipes can be pure and impure, which mainly differ in in when Angular executes them during change detection. Okay, pure and impure pipes. So pure pipes. Pure pipe. A pure pipe runs only when the Angular detects a pure change in the input values. Pure pipes. Pure pipes. What is a pure pipe? Pure pipe is nothing but uh, pure pipe when runs only when the Angular detects the pure change in the input value. Pure change in the input value. Okay, let's add that definition here. Change in the input value. Okay, pure change means the primitive value changes, the string, number, boolean, or the object reference changes. New array object instances are changed then it is going to show us, or it is going to detect that change. Alright, we are going to add that also here. Right away, we are going to again pure says pure pipe runs only when Angular detects a pure change. And pure uh, primitive value changes this string and boolean. Okay, string and boolean values if changes, then it detects it. Got it. Like object also, if object also changes, then it is going to detect that and show us the value. Pipe transform. Okay, pipe double and pure true. Okay, export class double pipe. Okay, in this case, creating the double pipe implements the pipe transform and transform value number. It is return type is going to be number console.log pure pipe executed and returns value multiplied by 2. Template it's double. Okay, name is going to double. Pure is equal to true. What do? I'm not sure why. Behavior. If you have the array, okay, number equals 1 to 3 is from array, and HTML is equal to numbers, my pipe, number dot push 4. Pipe will not run reference unchanged. Pipe will not run push 4, okay. Number is numbers, comma 4. Pipe will run new references, okay. Default pipe type in Angular runs less frequently, better performance, ideal for stateless transfer. Okay, example of a built-in pipes: data pipe, uppercase pipe, currency pipe. No, I have not got it. Impure pipe, impure pipe, impure pipe runs every change detect cycle, even if the references didn't change. Pipe name is equal to filter items pure equals to false. Okay, pure and impure pipes, we are going to set it like this. Export item. Okay, transform items, any number of items such as string. Okay, anything we are going to return. Then console.log impure pipe extended return the item of filter I is equals to, means it's a method that includes search. Right, right. Not getting it. Can you it n sample? Okay, let's explain pure versus impure pipes in Angular in very simple words. Think of a pipe as a function that changes the data before showing it in HTML. Okay, okay, uppercase. Okay, here is the uppercase pipe converts text to capital letters. Pure pipe, default pipes. Pure pipes run only when the value itself changes. Okay, Angular checks did the value changes. If yes, runs pipe. If no, changes does not run. Okay, pipe does not run. Now, for example, component, we have a component type script of, okay, we have an array type script, okay, number, name equals to sum. We are getting a pipe of sum here. Okay, then transfer any number of numbers we are going to get, and inside that we have a number which is returning. Here pipe run array dot reduce. Okay, a plus b equals to a plus b comma 0. Okay, this dot number dot push. This dot number dot push numbers. Okay, dot push 4. Okay, 1 to the array becomes 1 to the 4. Pipe will not run because the array reference did not change. Case 2, new reference added. New reference. Okay, this dot number equals to this dot number comma 4. Pipe will run. No, I didn't get this. This dot number equals to numbers equals to this dot numbers comma 4. This dot numbers comma 4. How is it? Okay, because Angular is a new array reference. Okay, make them in peer verbs. Runs only when the Angular thinks that data is new. Angular checks this by looking at the memory references address of an array. Okay, step by step simple example. Original array. Okay, we have original array. Angular remembers that the array references, thinking of it like a box holding the numbers. Box A holding number. Case 1 pushes. Later push. Okay. New array becomes like this 1, 2, 3, 4. And the box is still the same. Okay. The Angular things the same box. Nothing changed. Your pipe will run. Your pipe will not run. Okay, pure pipe will not run. Okay, pure pipe will not run. The Angular things, the same box has nothing to change. Pure pipe will not run. Case 2, new references. This dot number equals to this dot number 4. Okay, push. Okay, this is going to push it. But here what we are doing, this dot numbers equals to this dot number comma 4. Okay, because of that 4 is added. A new array is created. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is created, but A is having 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but B is having 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, new box. Pure pipe runs. Okay, pure pipe is going to be run like this. Okay, one line to remember. Pure pipe run only when the array references change, not when the array content change. Array reference change. Okay, no content change. Pure pipe run only when the Angular things data is new. Pure pipe runs only when the Angular detects the pure change. Or we have another definition for that. Okay, let's suppose we are going to add this example here. So how we are going to add that? Paste it here, delete it. Okay, okay. Angular remembers the array reference. Angular remembers the array reference. Angular remembers the array reference. Increase this the array reference. Then you reach the box A, but when we push it, like this. Pipe is to call. When pure pipe is going to call, a new array becomes like this. Angular things the same box as case 2. This is dot number, this is dot numbers comma 4. Creates a complete new, creates a complete new array. Okay, I don't understand the syntax, so that's why it is I'm having a trouble. No field change, and if it is then happening, this is creating a new array, and because of that, it is a new box. Even shorter example, push same pipe no run. Okay, new array created by runs. Okay, got it. Pure pipe, impure pipe. Okay, double. Okay, we have to add it like this. Okay, transform. The value is going to be there. Double value number. Number is going to return it. Pure pipe executed run value multiply by 2 here. So we have to have this reference and this reference also. Okay, now what we are going to do here is we are going to understand impure pipes. And what is impure pipes? An impure pipe runs an even change detection cycle, even if the reference doesn't change. Impure pipes. Impure pipes. And impure pipes runs even changes detection cycle, even if the reference does not change. Okay, so what we have here, what you have here is the impure pipe, which is false. We are making the impure pipe as false. So it is going to execute. Impure pipes runs every change detection cycle, even if the reference doesn't change. Okay, impure pipe is going to be run every time. All right, that's the main thing of impure pipe. So let's continue and understand how we are going to create impure pipe. Okay, filter, search, pipe, which is name filter item, which is, we are going to get here. Search, which is whatever we have searched here, items, any number of items going to come. Search is a string, any number of Return is anything. Console impure pipe is executed. A returns filter include the search. Okay, filter include the search. That's how it is going to work. Alright. So now what we are going to do here, we are going to create this impure pipe and pure pipe. Okay. So for impure pipe, NgGP, right? But we haven't opened our Angular application, Angular new. Open this cmd code dot is going to execute and open the code. Okay. So now, what we are going to do here? Okay. 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 So we have opened this application and we're going to run this. If you don't know how to run our Angular application, then we have to open this command prompt, delete this PowerShell, we don't need that, and ng sir run this command and it is going to execute it right away. Now, okay, there is a warning. Ignore that for now, and let's check if our application is running or not. I think on the different page we have an Angular application which is running. Okay, yeah, we are able to run this application. Now, what we are going to do here, we are going to create new pipe whose name is double pipe, and we are going to pass this double pure pipe, pass this double number pipe, number push, pipe will not run. Okay, example, working example, we don't know. So let's move ahead and let's check the working example of this. Okay, it is simple working example of pure pipe. Okay, NgGP sum. Okay, sum is the name. If it is a pure pipe, right? Pure pipe, so we don't need to give it true. So execute simple pipe. Includes pipe transform. Number is going to come. Array of number is going to be returned. Total is going to be created here and returns. And second, okay, but in this template and component code. Okay, what we have here, numbers equals to 1 2 3 4 and This dot push four number is going to add using new reference. So this is the new reference that we are going to add. Template add component.html. Okay, numbers. Sum of the pipe will show pure pipe executed. Click push button. 2 3 4 pipe will not run. Console shows nothing now because array reference doesn't change. Click new reference button. Array becomes 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, pure pipe executed. And it becomes pipe runs because Angular C is a new array reference. A visual flow number push array reference same array reference push is not executed. Numbers 4 new array executed. Pure pipe executed. Why Angular does this? Angular pure pipe optimize the performance. Angular avoids running the pipe unless data references change. Okay, so let's create one ngg generate pipe which is some. So where we are going to create this pipe in the pipes. Okay, go here, add new command prompt. So inside this we are going to execute, but we don't have that here. Okay, so cd where modules public no src cd app. Okay, cd directive pipes. Okay, inside this we are going to run this command nggp pipe sum. So sum named angular pipe is going to be executed. We can see here pipe and spec file also. So we are going to delete this spec file. Yeah, move to cycle bin. Okay. So after moving to the recycle bin, what we are going to do, and we are going to move ahead to what we have just open this sum pipe. What we have name it sum. We have pipe transform value. Okay, unknown return type and return is null. So what we have numbers, multiple numbers are going to become. So that's why we have number multiple number and return type is number. So here is we are going to get the console so that we can detect the pure pipe is executed or not and return number of reduce total number total comma num total equals to total plus num 0. Okay, how this syntax works. Okay, what reduce does. Reduce take all values in an array and reduces them in a single value. Okay, example array numbers 1 to 3 call add all numbers. Result should be 1 2 3 4. Oh sorry, 1 2 3 which is 6. Structure of a reduce total and number. Accurate current value. Structure of reduce. Accumulator current value. Initial value. What is this? Okay, structure of reduce. Reduce take all the values in an array and reduce them to a single value. Reduce them to a single value. Okay. The array reduce accumulator current value. Accumulator current value. Initial value. What is this? Accumulator total number and total plus number. It's 0. What? Let it be. Let's consider it is adding this value. Okay. Just adding the value. Okay. Approved HTML. Return what it returns. Okay. Save it. It returns the total. What it returns. Clearly in a console log. Difference clear. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Component code. In the component, what we are going to get. Okay, but we have here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The user component. We have the array, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and add using push. So this dot numbers dot push. So we are adding this dot number dot push fourth number. Add using new reference. This dot numbers multiple number. This dot numbers equals to this dot numbers comma 4. Okay, that's it. Now h2 number. Copy this. Will see what it will do. Okay, what it will do, it will show the heading, the original value. What is the original value of our, sorry, original value numbers. Okay, original value, then some using pipe, some click button, add using push. Okay, after clicking, we are going to add fourth number and button, add using new reference. Okay, then it is going to call the impure pipe. Okay, pure pipe is going to be executed here because impure pipe is going to be executed anyway. So save it. If it is not imported, then let's check if it is working or not. Let's see bust. Okay. So some Z TS pipe. Some pipe we have here. So save it. Now let's check if we have any warning or error here. No, we don't have any. So go to our application. So we have to open the console. In the console window, pure pipe executed. Why? Open the browser console. Console pure pipe executed. Array console. Initial load. So 6 is going to be executed and pure pipe is executed because no reference, just only check. Pure pipe click push. Array becomes 0. Will not run. Okay. pure pipe is executed because value is going to be changed. So that's why Angular is running in the development mode. Okay, add new number, push here. The Angular is running in the development. Okay, okay, it is adding 4 and it is having the value. Let's get it, rerun it. Okay, we have new numbers which are 1 to 3 on the browser console, inline low console, pure pipe is executed. Correct, pure pipe is executed. Click on button, push button. Yeah, what will happen? Will run, will not run. Pure pipe will not run. Pure pipe will not run. Console shows nothing new because array reference doesn't change. Okay, inside that array only we are adding these 4 values. Another time we are adding. There are 4 4s here. Okay, so first of all, 1 2 3 sum is going to be 6, and when click the new reference button. Okay, this add number using the new reference button. So what will happen? 4 4 4 we have added here, which are shown here, and sum is going to be here. So Angular is running in the development mode. No, pure pipe is executed. Pure pipe is executed. What is this? Pure pipe is executed. Pipe run because Angular seems a new array reference. Okay, first time it is executed because of a first reference. See, first reference for this array executed and give us some new elements added, but no any change in the pure pipe. If we add a new array or reference, then it is going to be executed a new pure pipe. Okay, like this, pure pipe is going to be work. Now, reduce, let it be impure pipe. Here's impure pipe, pure pipe, impure pipe. For the impure pipe, let's check. Okay, impure pipe. Simple example for the impure pipe is the angular, so you can clearly see filter pipe search input button that mutates the array using push. And the pipe will still run because it is impure. Create the pipe. Okay, filter item pipe. Okay, we have a pure which is false. Search which is nothing. Item add this dot push. This dot push items dot push grapes. We have added that. Grapes push changes the array but not the reference. Changes the array but not the reference. Correct. Mm, not the reference. Template. search the graph and click here. Node placeholder. If filter item dot search item. What happened? You see this when you type in the search box AN filter search filter result AN. Okay, pipelines. Every change detection. Okay, every change. This is the important thing. More than our previous pipe. Here's a simple example for the inflow. But then also you can clearly see how it works. A filter pipe, search pipe, filter search pipe button. What we're going to do, we are going to create new pipe. Filter pipe. Create a pipe. NgGC filter pipe. Filter item pipe. So come here. We have CMD already. So filter pipe named. Filter item named pipe we have created. And we can delete the spec. Delete. Filter items pipe. So filter item what it will do. Pure is false. Okay. So we don't have pure. So we are going to paste it like this. Save it. Inside pipe we have items string. This is going to be a string. Okay. We have a search string here. So that's why it's a function to search something that we have added, and it is going to return a multiple string of array. Here in the search operation we can see the list of things that returns like strings. Okay, if search is not, if nothing is there, then return item. Every item, items. Where is it? Okay, items here. Got it. So if nothing is there, return items. And if we have something that includes to lowercase items dot to include sorry dot to lowercase. Come down. Now save it. What will happen? There is pipe we have created. That pipe is going to be search the thing that we are searching upon that particular section. Compose component code. Okay, we have component there, so we have to include. Yeah, we have a search string. So in the TS file, we have to add this search string. So nothing is there. Save it. I think items is going to be multiple items like apple, banana, orange, mango. Add items. Okay, we are going to add one another item. So inside of this, we are going to add new grape. Save it. And in the HTML, we have this code. So come here and directly paste this code. Save it. But before that, save and add this filter pipe. Okay, open IL filter item pipe. Okay, save it nothing is there to change. Okay, go ahead and check in our application. What we have, multiple things are there. So firstly, close this, open this, and what we have, multiple items like apple, banana, orange, and mango is there. But when we try to search anything, like we need to add p. Okay, the impure pipe executed means simultaneously when we type it, the impure pipe is going to be executed and show us the result what we have. Okay, so this is the functionality that is very important when we work on our application Mango. Okay, so impure pipe is going to be executed. A, because of A, we have in our every item, so that's why it is showing every item. B, no, A, N, okay, A, N, A, N, A, N. So that's why it is showing like this. So what it tells, what happens, every item is going to be shown when you type in anything in the search box. It is the result, 5 runs every change detection. Okay, every change detection. It is too hectic, I guess, to close it. How many times if I type A, if I type A, it is going to execute it 2 times because this detection is there and this detection also is there. A and so how many type 2 times A N. Okay, so change detection is there, so that's why, and every time it is going to be executed. So how it is done? We have used the pure equals to false and transform items. We are getting items here, search filter, and in the filter we have created the functionality, but that functionality we are going to be use in, okay, add grip. We have added the grip. One time it is used G or APE. Okay, every time we can add the grip. Got it. Items, filter items, and search and click. Add grip in the text box NgModules search. NgModules search. NgModules search. Okay, so NgModule is two data binding. So we are getting the search, connecting with the search, we are filtering the items. Filter items that we have created here, like where we have filter items here, and that filter item is going to be executed and have these functionalities. Got it? Yes. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do here pure and impure pipes. In the notes we are going to add impure pipes. Change every change detection it is going to be executed, but we have to give this example for him to understand. Copy, Control V, impure pipe. We are getting pure, which is no pure, so false. And because of it is a false, we can totally understand that it is a impure pipe. Got it? Now what we have to add here is this ts file. We have directly we can copy from here, and this HTML file also. We have to make sure that we are getting every example related to this. HTML, HTML also, TS, okay, impure pipe, TS, and now we are going to go for HTML code. Copy this so that we can easily identify what we have done to know how it's exactly work. Okay, okay, got it, got it. So the ng change detection model, we are searching the filter items. Filter items, we have created the file. That filter item is going to be add some things and show us the items. The items are iterated by using the ng for loop. Okay, alright. Now what we are going to do, so next topic, which is code architectural concepts, modules, ng module, feature module, core module, shared module, lazy loading, and standalone components. I don't think these are the things that we can understand in a single day, and it is almost 52 minutes. And this pipe thing is going to be revised. I'm not able to check it or understand it thoroughly because this pipe thing is totally different when we actually work on the project level. So that's why we're going to sleep on this, and we are going to go live tomorrow and complete this all remaining topics because of the pipe concepts. Okay, let's connect tomorrow and discuss around this all the core topics. All right. So have a great night.